So scoliosis is measured primarily on the x-ray. And what we do is we draw a line on the top of the upper bone that's tilted the most. We draw a line on the bottom bone that's tilted the most. And then we draw perpendiculars to those and measure the angle that's formed. And that gives us what's called the Cobb angle. And this is the standard way. Now there is a way to measure without x-ray, and that's called the scoliometer. The scoliometer gives us a rough idea. Approximately 7 degrees of scoliometer is equivalent to a 20-degree curve, but scoliometer has a wide margin of error of around maybe even 5 to 8 degrees of the scoliosis. So it's not so accurate, but it just gives us a rough ballpark idea, and we use that for screening before we're going to go take an x-ray. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.